Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode we are going to deal with small tables, or better to say simple tables and locations in PowerPoint presentation. So how to deal with location? Actually there are multiple ways. There are some predefined ways, and finally there is one function that is going to help you to put any element you want at any position you want in your slide. So first of all, we are going to create that table I have been talking about. So we are going to use data frame in order to create that table. But first, you would have to import your officer library, then create some empty document, and at the end we are going to export that out to document pptx. Now I'm going to create one data frame, and I'm going to call it EMP, stands for employees, data frame, and we are going to do that in a really simple way. We are going to provide three names: Jenny and Yi, and salary 200, 250, 220. And now I'm going to create one slide. Document is going to be our first argument, then layout, title and content, and master office theme. We are going to select this slide, index equals to 1, and now we are going to put this data frame on that slide. With function phWidth, first argument is going to be document, second argument is going to be that data frame, and third argument is going to be location. Well, in this first example, I'm going to use a function ph location type, and I'm going to provide type body. Now I'm going to run this code. Everything went well. Let me show you what we got. You see, we have our table and our slide, but something seems off. How to solve this problem? Let me show you. I'm going to delete this document. That is not necessary, but I like better this way. So instead of ph location type, I'm going to use ph location full size and without any argument. And let me show you how that looks. We are going to run this code, and I'm going to open this document. You see, this looks much better, but this is still not something that you would like to present to your boss. Let me help you to solve that problem. Now I'm going to show you another function. So now we are going to create some custom location. We are going to call it lock, but without k. Is going to be ph location. Make some spacing here, and now left is going to be left border of your location, and we are going to set it at 0.5 inches. Now top is going to be also at 0.5. width it's going to be, let's say, 4 inches. Height it's going to be, let's say, 3.5. And there are a few more arguments. Let me show you. There is rotation, and we don't want that. And there is background. Well, there is no point in using background with tables, but I am going to show you this argument anyway. And we are going to use some custom color like all trees. Okay. And now, instead of this pH location full size, I am going to provide this custom location lock. And I'm going to run this code. You see everything went well. And let us see what we have. Yeah, this looks much better. And as you see, with function pH location, you could create custom location that is going to help you to put any element at any place at your slide you like. So this will be all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya.